milk that I just told you guys how to do, okay? Alright. There you go, everybody. That's what happens when you take that coconut milk with the flesh that I showed you guys. And let me see if I can set up my camera so y'all can see really quick, really fast. Because the kid is losing it, so we're not going to be able to be on here for long. No! Let's let everybody see how you're acting. Okay. Now, alright guys. Hold on a second. Let me get this open and I'll show you guys what it looks like, okay? Okay. Here we go. This is the coconut milk itself. I have not added any spring water to it yet because, like I said, I'm going to drink all this today, guys. See? Now I'm going to put my spring water in there. Mix it up. Same spoon that I used. See, look. There you have it. Coconut milk. Homemade. It really does look delicious. It's really good. And it tastes delicious, guys. This is so good. So, very good. And as you can see, oh, that was really, really good, guys. That was so creamy, that texture. You want to try some, baby girl? Try. Okay, here you go. You like it? What does it taste like? Your eyes got really big. Oh, you're coming back for more. Okay. Is it good? Coming back for more? Okay. Don't worry. Mommy's going to pour you a cup. You want some?
Sure.
Okay. Alright, guys. It's good. You know kids don't eat things that are nasty, so here she is trying to eat the spoon that's basically got the leftover coconut milk on it. And licking it. Okay. So, alright guys, that's that. Okay, I'm giving you some more. Hold on. So, I'm going to give the baby some coconut milk. Give them what they want, right? Give them what's healthy for them. They love this stuff. Let's go get the water. Where's the water so we can put it in, baby girl? So, keep this in the house, guys. It's really not hard to just keep a coconut in there. It'll last for like a week in your fridge. So, you'll be good to go. I love y'all. Thank you for visiting me on Lizzy's Kitchen. Thank you for having patience with me and my beautiful daughter. Sorry about earlier. She sometimes thinks someone's on my phone that's not. But no worries. You guys are used to her by now. So we're going to say bye because she really wants her milk. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye to the kids. Say bye-bye from Lizzy's Kitchen. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, wow. Okay. Can Mommy have a kiss?
Bye.
Bye, everybody. Hit the finish button. Right here. Hit finish.